Hello from Halo. This is Sam speaking, and we are continuing our series on running basic operations on this Barudan 6-head embroidery machine. I've got my camera set up on this really handy tripod, so I have a little bit more freedom of motion, and I'm more able to freely explain what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So for right now, what we're going to do is discuss how to change needles or needle set per head. Well, it'll change it for all of the heads. You'll be using this function during maintenance when you're trying to get behind certain places on the machine, and you also may be using this function when you want to sew a particular color, which means sewing a particular needle. So looking on this menu, your needle setting is going to be this bar, the second one from the down, and you can see it's on needle 2. So we can change our needles by number. We can just go down one. I think I need to have it on dry. Okay, so that's what we need to do. We hit that number. I think I had to hit the start. Had to hit the start button to get rid of that. But now we can just switch between our numbers with the arrow. And I'll bring the camera over so we can see what's happening whenever we make that change. You can see the head is moving as I'm going. Now I'm on needle 8, needle 9, needle 10, back to needle 9. Another way you can do it, center this a little bit better. Another way you can change your needle is you can hit the center of this bar, and now you have all your needles set up here. And the colors do match. I will show you in a future video how to make these colors match in case you actually change that color thread for that needle. But from here, we're on needle 9 right now. See, I want to take it to needle 1 and enter. And I don't know if you can hear that change being made, but I'll show you. Let's go to needle all the way to needle 15. Hit needle 15, hit enter. And it's making that shift. And again, you would do this during maintenance. Now that I have it on needle 15, I can get behind in this area a little bit more easily. There we are. And there's some needle, there's some places for oiling there. But we'll cover that in later videos regarding oiling and maintenance. But for now, I hope this little rundown of how to get to different needles was helpful. Again, this is Sam, and a good hello for all of us at Halo.